Hello, myself Rajesh Bhatt. I am going to deliver presentation on resistance temperature detector RTD. These are the basic contents of my topic: introduction, RTD, configurations, advantage, disadvantage and applications. First come to introduction. Sir William Simmons preferred the use of platinum as element in a RTD. The classical resistance temperature detector RTD construction using platinum was proposed by Mayers in 1932. He wound a helical coil of platinum on a crossed mica web and mounted the assembly inside a glass tube. This construction minimized strain on the wire while maximizing resistance. Basic principle. An RTD is basically a temperature sensitive resistor. It is a positive temperature coefficient device. As like thermocouple, it doesn't produce any voltage by itself. It means it is a passive type sensor. It is used in electrical appliances such as motors, generators. What is an RTD? RTD resistance thermometers are the sensor used to measure temperature by comparing the resistance of the RTD element with the temperature. RTD converts the temperature into the electrical resistance, which can be measured using the Wheatstone bridge. This is the basic diagrams of RTDs. What is a PT100? PT100 is a platinum RTD which is most widely used in the industries. The resistance of PT100 RTD is 100 ohm at 0 degree centigrade. This is the basic characteristic of RTD, resistance versus temperature, with the different materials: nickel, copper and platinum. Materials used for RTD. These are some characteristics that must be processed by RTD components. High electrical resistivity so that the sensing element can be fabricated in convenient size. High resistance temperature coefficient for high sensitivity. Linear resistance temperature relationships. No state or phase change in reasonable temperature range. Corrosion resistance. This is the basic diagram, construction diagram of RTD. RTD configuration. Generally, there are three configurations of RTD: 2-wire type, 3-wire type and 4-wire type. This is 2-wire configuration diagram. This is 3-wire configuration diagram of RTD. This is 4-wire configuration diagram of RTD. Advantage of RTD: linear over wide operating range, wide temperature operating range, high temperature operating range, interchangeability over wide range, good stability at high temperature. Other advantage: linearity over a wide operating range, higher temperature operations, better stability at high temperature. Drawbacks: low sensitivity, it can be affected by contact resistance, shock and vibration. Required no point sensing. Higher cost than other temperature transducers. Applications: air conditioning and refrigeration, food processing, stoves and grills, textile production, plastics processings, petrochemical processings, microelectronics, air, gas and liquid temperature measurement, exhaust gas temperature measurement. Other applications: it is widely used in furnace for automatic temperature measurement. Due to compactness, it replaces conventional thermometers as well as thermocouples, hence eliminating the use of lot of wires. Used in medical and chemical laboratories to detect very low temperatures like dry ice and liquid nitrogen. Due to electrical output, it is used whenever feedback system is required and corrective action is hence taken in an automated systems. These are my references. Thanks.